the sewage. It is measured in the terms of biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand, that is BOD and COD. BOD and COD can be defined as BOD can be defined as the amount of oxygen required for decomposition of organic and inorganic matter in sewage by aerobic biological activity at 20 degrees Celsius within 5 days. Defined as the quantity of oxygen required to decompose organic and inorganic matter by aerobic biological action. The BOD is expressed in terms of milligrams per liter or ppm or parts per million. The volume of BOD is directly proportional to oxidizable organic and inorganic compound in sewage. In pure drinking water, the BOD should have a value less than 1 ppm. A weak organic waste in sewage, a weak organic waste water body has BOD below 1500 milligrams per liter. A medium organic waste water body has BOD between 1500 to 4000 milligrams per liter, whereas a strong organic waste water body has BOD above 4000 milligrams per liter. Analysis of dissolved oxygen DO in sewage plays a key role in the measurement of strength of sewage, that is BOD. The manganese sulfate is used as an oxidizing agent to determine dissolved oxygen. The manganese sulfate reacts with potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide to form a precipitate of manganese hydroxide, which turns brown due to presence of oxygen. In a strong acidic medium, the manganese ions get reduced by iodide equivalent to the original concentration of oxygen in the sample. The liberated iodine is treated with thiosulfate using starch indicator. The dissolved oxygen in sewage is calculated, and then we can use this as the to determine the strength of the sewage, that is BOD. To determine the BOD value, the sewage sample is diluted with aerated water and filled in two separate narrow mouth bottle with stoppers. The bottle is labeled as initial dissolved oxygen and final dissolved oxygen. The extent of dilution depends on strength of sewage, that is 1:100 or 1:1000 for strong industrial waste and 1:1 or 1:10 for moderate polluted river water. The initial dissolved oxygen value is estimated immediately, and final dissolved oxygen value is estimated after incubation for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. In dark, it is because the blue-green algae present in water samples can prepare the carbohydrates and evolve oxygen by the process called oxygenic photosynthesis. The final dissolved oxygen value is determined after incubation period is over. The amount of oxygen used for oxidizable organic and inorganic matter in sewage is determined by subscribing the value of final dissolved oxygen from initial dissolved oxygen. BOD value is calculated, and it must be in the range to have the deposition of waste into the rivers. If it is not, then we have to have the sewage treatment procedures. Now we'll discuss about the chemical oxygen demand. It is the amount of oxygen required to oxidize all required to oxidize all organic and reduced inorganic compounds in 1 liter of sewage at 20 degrees Celsius using a chemical oxidant. The value of chemical oxygen demand is much higher than biological oxygen demand because of the fact that more compounds can be chemically oxidized than those biologically oxidized. The limiting value of COD, generally specified by various authorities, is 250 parts per million. It becomes easy and simple to rely on COD test because the COD can be calculated in 3 hours, whereas BOD analysis requires 5 days. However, the BOD value correlates with the need of oxygen for natural degradation of waste by biological means. Chemical oxidation of organic compound in sewage is difficult in a natural and large scale treatment. The COD BOD ratio of given sewage sample is generally greater than 1. For typical domestic waste, the ratio of COD and BOD is found to vary from 1.2 to 1.5. If it is greater than 3, the sewage is considered difficult to biodegrade, and for non-biodegradable sewage, it exceeds 10. Thus, the difference in COD and BOD values indicate biodegradability of sewage. This is the biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand of the sewage. Now we'll discuss the microbiology of sewage and why it is needed